Good afternoon. My name is Prabjot Kaur. Today I am presenting my presentation on the topic cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Let's talk through video.
Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources via the internet, with pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage, and databases on an as-needed basis from a cloud provider like Amazon Web Services. Organizations of every type, size, and industry are using the cloud for a wide variety of use cases, such as data backup, disaster recovery, email, virtual desktops, software development and testing, big data analytics, and customer-facing web applications. For example, healthcare companies are using the cloud to develop more personalized treatments for patients. Financial services companies are using the cloud to power real-time fraud detection and prevention. And video game makers are using the cloud to deliver online games to millions of players around the world. With cloud computing, your business can become more agile, reduce costs, instantly scale, and deploy globally in minutes. Cloud computing gives you instant access to a broad range of technologies so you can innovate faster and build nearly anything you can imagine. From infrastructure services such as compute, storage, and databases, to Internet of Things, machine learning, data analytics, and much more. You can deploy technology services in a matter of minutes and get from idea to implementation several orders of magnitude faster than before. This gives you the freedom to experiment and test new ideas to differentiate customer experiences and transform your business, such as adding machine learning and intelligence to your applications in order to personalize experiences for your customers and improve their engagement. You don't need to make large upfront investments in hardware and overpay for capacity you don't use. Instead, you can trade capital expense for variable expense and only pay for IT as you consume it. With cloud computing, you access resources from the cloud in real time, as they're needed. You can scale these resources up and down to grow or shrink capacity instantly as your business needs change. Cloud computing also makes it easy to expand to new regions and deploy globally in minutes. For example, Amazon Web Services has infrastructure all over the world, so you're able to deploy your application in multiple physical locations in just a few clicks. Putting applications in closer proximity to end users reduces latency and improves their experience. No matter your location, size, or industry, the cloud frees you from managing infrastructure and data centers so you can focus on what matters most to your business.
Why cloud computing? Why we need that? Cloud computing have numerous benefits such as cost savings, security, flexibility, mobility, insight, increased collaboration, quality control, disaster recovery, loss prevention, automatic software updates, competitive edge, and sustainability. But the most of the biggest concern is cost reduction. By using cloud infrastructure, you don't have to spend huge amounts of money on purchasing and maintaining equipment. And if I talk about security, one of the major concern of every business, regardless of size and industry, is the security of its data. Moreover, accessibility, speed to market, data security, savings on equipment, and pay structure are the one of the most biggest benefit of efficiency in cloud computing. Now I will talk about types of cloud computing. There are 4 types of cloud computing: public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, and hybrid cloud. If I talk about public cloud, companies such as Amazon and Google are known for the public clouds. This type of cloud is known for providing large storage space And if I talk about private cloud, similar to public cloud storage, private clouds allow users to access, use, and cache data in the cloud remotely. However, private cloud infrastructure is usually protected behind a firewall, which is a security system that tracks and controls network traffic. And hybrid cloud are a combination of public and private clouds. They are engineered to allow people to use and store data on both platforms seamlessly. And if I talk about a community cloud, it is a private cloud that works similarly to a public cloud. They are collaborative and enable various authorized organizations. Now, I will talk about the famous companies who use the cloud computing, such as Amazon Web Services and Google. As I have mentioned that they uses the public cloud computing, and Microsoft Azure as well, IBM Bluemix. These companies use cloud computing very much. At the end, I will conclude with cloud computing is recently new technological development that has the potential to have a great impact on the world. It has many benefits that it provides to its users and businesses.